Hello, my name is Drew Podlewski, and welcome to this third installment of our video series on groundwater. In this video, we will talk about some of the things that we can do to protect our groundwater and keep it safe. Now, in our last video, we talked about how groundwater can become contaminated, making it unsafe for us to drink. While water treatment plants do a lot to make our water clean, they can get overwhelmed if the water becomes too contaminated. So we need to do our best to prevent that from happening. So, the next question is, what can we do to protect our groundwater and prevent it from becoming contaminated in the first place? Well, there are actually many things that we can do. The first and most important of which is making sure that we dispose of potential contaminants safely. First, never pour chemicals like oil-based paints or detergents onto the grass or into lakes or rivers. And never ever pour motor oil, oil paint, or gasoline down the drain or down the toilet. Have your parents take used gas and oil to a certified collection center where it can be taken care of safely. Try to use soaps, detergents, and other cleaning agents that are biodegradable. Biodegradable means that they can be broken down easily by nature. Always make sure that your toilet system is working properly. If you have a septic system, which is a small tank used to hold waste flushed down the toilet, make sure it is cared for and cleaned out on a regular basis. If you see a leaking oil barrel, or a car leaking oil, or an oil sheen on a lake or river, tell an adult. These should be cleaned up right away. If you're curious about your own water, ask your parents to show you the Consumer Confidence Report. Community water systems have to test the quality of their well water and make the results of those tests available to the public. Look up your local Consumer Confidence Report and see what your water is like. So in summary, remember that anything that you put onto the ground can get into your groundwater. Try to use materials and chemicals that are safe for the environment, and always make sure that those chemicals are stored and disposed of properly. Make sure that your sewage system is working properly too. In the next video, we will explore the problem of using water too much. Yes, fresh water is a limited resource, and we can run out of it. So now let's think about some of the things that you've learned today. Is there anything in your house that may be a potential contaminant? Look up your local Consumer Confidence Report. Do you notice anything unusual or surprising? What kind of elements are in your water? And remember, it's the type of chemical or element and the amount of it that makes a difference. Some elements like iron are not very toxic, so it's okay to see them in your reports. See you in the next video.